Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about important questions and answers relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: what was the estimated number of people who migrated on partition of India in 1947? Answer is 85 lakh. Question: when did the Pakistan Assembly pass the resolution for changing the name of West Punjab to Punjab? Answer is 7th January 1948. Question: when was it announced that Jinnah would be the Governor General of Pakistan? Answer is July 10, 1947. Question: when the Operation Zarb-e-Azb was launched? Answer is 15 June 2014. Question: Operation Raddul Fasad was launched by the security forces of Pakistan on dash. Answer is 22nd February 2017. Question: the 21st Constitutional Amendment Bill was signed by the President of Pakistan on. Answer is 7th January 2015. Question: the 22nd Constitutional Amendment was passed on dash by Senate. Answer is 2nd June 2016. Question: under the 22nd Constitutional Amendment, the power of the Election Commission of Pakistan were transferred to. Answer is Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan. Question: when did Lord Mountbatten announce the partition plan? Answer is 3rd June 1947. Question: who was the last governor of the undivided Punjab? Answer is Sir Evan Jenkins. Question: who was the first head of state to visit Pakistan in 1947? Answer is Amir of Kuwait. Question: national anthem written by Hafiz Jalandhari in Chiragh-e Saher in Sinf of. Answer is Makhmas. Question: who composed the music of national anthem of Pakistan? Answer is Ahmad G. Chagla. Question: flag of Pakistan designed by. Answer is Amiruddin Kodwai. Question: who became the president of Muslim League after Quaid-e-Azam? Answer is Chaudhry Khaliquz-Zaman. Question: who laid down the foundation stone of the Qaid's mausoleum? Answer is Ayub Khan. Question: which airline held movement of 35,000 people from Pakistan to India between October 20 and November 30th, 1947? Answer is British Overseas Airways Corporation. Question: unanimously elected Qaid became the president of the Pakistan's first Constituent Assembly on. Answer is August 11, 1947. Question: Pakistan admitted as member of the Food and Agriculture Organization of UN. Answer is 7th September 1947. Question: US Embassy in Karachi was established on. Answer is August 15, 1947. Question: the first US ambassador to Pakistan dash was appointed on September 20, 1947. Answer is Paul H. Elling. Question: who was the British Prime Minister at the time of the partition of India? Answer is Attlee. Question: the withdrawal of the British power from India was announced in June 1947, in which it was determined to withdraw from India by. Answer is February 20, 1947. Question. Time of creation of Pakistan was dash at the night between 14th and 15th August 1947. Answer is 12 a.m. Question. Who for the first time announced in English, "This is Pakistan Broadcasting Service" at the time of creation of Pakistan? Answer is Mr. Zahoor Azhar. Question. Who for the first time announced in Urdu, "This is Pakistan Broadcasting Service" at the time of creation of Pakistan? Answer is Ghulam Mustafa Hamdani. Question. Egypt announced its recognition of Pakistan on. Answer is 16th August 1947. Question. Pakistan applied for membership of UNO on. Answer is 16th August 1947. Question. Objectives resolution was passed by the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on. Answer is March 12, 1949. Question. With regard to the division of power between federation and provinces, the Constitution of Pakistan 1962 was provided with. Answer is two lists of subjects. Question. The height of Pakistan's highest mountain peak, Godwin Austen, is as high as. Answer is 28,251 feet. Question. The Government of Pakistan established the Indus River System Authority in the year. Answer is 1992. Question. Under the Indus Water Treaty of 1960, Pakistan has the right to use exclusively the water of. Answer is Chenab, Jhelum and Indus. Question. What is the total area of Pakistan in square kilometers? Answer is 7,96,096 square kilometers. Question. The Regional Corporation for Development was established by Pakistan, Iran and Turkey in 1964 and was annulled in. Answer is 1979. Question. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, the architect of the name of Pakistan, died on. Answer is February 3rd, 1951. Please subscribe this channel and like and share the video.